guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video will be a makeup tutorial. If you want to know how I achieved this look, please stick around. Yes. So today we're going to be using Anastasia's dip brow pomade and the color chocolate. And I'm just taking this angled brush and I'm filling in my brows. I used to have this long time ago, but I gave it to my sister. But I decided to get it and just try it out and see what I've been missing lately, because I see that a lot of people are using the dip brow now. And so I just wanted to try it out again. And now I'm going in Fawn and LA Pro concealer, and I'm just concealing my brows. And you guys, I need to get my brows done. I just found out that I'm allergic to the wax. Or I don't know if I'm allergic or if my face is like very sensitive when it comes to waxing. But I think I have to get them threaded now, so I will get them threaded soon. I used Tarte concealer in Deep to conceal the top of my brows, and I'm just using this Morphe brush to do that. And now I'm going in with the Tarte concealer in Tan Sand, and I'm just using that as a base for my eyeshadow. And I'm taking this dense brush and I'm just patting the concealer in. And now I'm going in crayon case in the color chocolate, and I'm just taking that into the crease with this e.l.f. brush, this e.l.f. crease fluffy brush. And yeah, I haven't done my makeup in so long, you guys. It's been like 2 months, and I just felt like I didn't know what I was doing. And now I'm going in the Warriors palette from Juvia's Place, and I'm going in with that dark brown shade, and I'm going right back into the crease right on top of the chocolate, and I'm just deepening the crease. Yeah, you guys, and I'm just bringing it up just a little bit above the my natural crease. And I'm going in my James Charles palette, and I'm taking this nice fluffy brush, and I'm just taking those two shades and tapping them on top of the dark brown shade, just to take away that harsh line. Also, guys, if you've seen my previous video that I've uploaded, you'll know that I'm wearing the wig that I made with Klaiyi's hair. Soon I will give you guys an update on it. But yeah, right now I'm taking inglot eyeliner and gel liner in the number 94. And I'm using that to cut my crease. Also, you guys, I got a new laptop, so I have no excuses but to upload more videos and stop being a lazy bum. And now I'm going back in with the fluffy e.l.f. brush, and I'm just taking the leftover shadow that was on the brush and kind of bringing it in towards the cut crease and just making everything blend. And you guys, I know you guys see that I'm like literally done. My camera died so many times, and so I had to just do everything off camera. But you guys already know I used my Wet and Wild eyeliner. And also, these are new lashes, you guys, that I bought from AliExpress. I will also be making a video on that. and where I purchased it and everything that happened. And but right now I'm going in with my MAC Studio Sculpt foundation, and I'm taking my Real Techniques flat angled foundation brush and just tapping it into the skin. Then I went in with a Real Techniques beauty blender, and now I'm going in with Tarte's Deep concealer, and I'm using that to highlight. And I also applied the tan sand, and now I'm using Real Techniques beauty sponge to tap in the concealer. And you guys, I also have this new technique where I kind of let the concealer set on my face. I don't just immediately start tapping it in and just highlighting those dark areas. I just kind of wait a little bit and then I tap it in. And now I'm going in with Black Opal as I always do, and I'm contouring. You guys, I did not like how my eyeshadow came out. I don't know if you guys like it, but I did not like it. I did not like it, you guys. I did not like it. But now that I'm looking at it now, I'm like, okay, girl, yeah, it's cute, you know. Now I'm going in with Laura Mercier and Topaz mixed, and I'm setting my face. I'm just pressing the powder into my skin, and then I'll start applying more. Also, you guys, I will be purchasing the Fenty Beauty Honey. I really want to try that out, so we can see what that's talking about. And now I'm just applying setting powder underneath my contour, just setting that in so we can get a nice sharp cut. And now I'm just taking the rest of the Black Opal just to contour my nose, and now I'm going in on my forehead. And now I'm going in with Chocolate from the Crayon Case palette, and I'm just taking that shade and I'm just applying it under my eyes. And now I'm applying MAC Studio Finish in Dark Deep, and I applied that all over my skin. Next, I'm taking this Auto Lip Pencil and Cocoa, and I'm lining up my lips. Yes. Beauty. Oh, and you guys, this new lip gloss that I'm using, this is from Revlon. It's called Rose Future. I love this lip gloss. Like, I'm just like, what? The baddest. Like, everything is just it. And so, you guys, at this point, my camera was dying. And so, I'm just going back in with some face powder, and I'm also highlighting. Guys, excuse my lash is like literally coming off, and I did not realize. And you guys, I got the Morphe setting spray, and I'm just so in love with it. Like, I love it. Look at my lashes. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I look so crazy. Look at me. Oh my gosh. I didn't realize it was like that, you guys. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will try to bring out more videos out. I'm trying to be consistent. I say this in every video, and I'm upset with myself because I don't fall through. But I'm really gonna try to put out more videos. I have no excuse. I have a new laptop, a Mac Pro, And so I'm going to do the best that I can. Thank you all for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to hit the bell so you can stay notified when I drop another vid. And I will see you guys. Peace.